अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। सबसे पहले तो मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है, आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, वीडियो को लाइक करना है, कमेंट करना है, शेयर करना है, बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा। बेल आइकन दबाने से ये होगा कि हमारी आने वाली जितनी भी वीडियोस होंगी वो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन की सूरत में पहुंच जाएंगी। तो गाइस, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है व्हाई डू वी ड्रीम, अ लुक एट द स्लीप ब्रेन। So let's start our question. Dreaming is one of the most fascinating and mysterious function of the human brain. Every night, as we drift into sleep, our brain generated vivid experiences, some fantastical, other mundane, that seems to come out of the and nowhere. But why do we dream? While scientists still don't have all the answer, they have made significant progress in understanding the role of dreams and the brain activity behind them. What's clear is that dreaming is not just random. It's deeply concerned to our thought, emotions, and overall mental health. Dreams occur primarily during REM. REM means stand for rapid eye movement sleep, one of the four main stages of the sleep cycle. During REM, brain activity increases dramatically, almost resembling that the being awake. This is the when most vivid and emotionally charged dreams happen. The brain stem blocks muscles movement during this phase, keeping us from physically acting out our dreams. At the same time, areas like the amygdala, which process emotions, and the visual cortex become highly active, while the prefrontal cortex, responsible for logic and reasoning, become less active, explaining why dreams often feel illogical or surreal. One widely studied theory is that dreams help us with emotional processing. They may serve as a built-in mental therapy session where we confront unresolved feelings or rehearse responses to emotionally intense experience. For instance, dreaming about a stressful situation might help us regulate our emotional response to it in real life. This idea is supported by research showing that people with more disordered often experience disrupted REM sleep or distributing dream, suggesting a strong link between mental health and dreaming. Another popular theory is the dream as involved in memory consolidation during sleep, especially REM. The brain sorts through information gathered during the day, strengthening important memories and discarding irrelevant ones. Dreaming could be a byproduct or even a tool of this process, helping us integrate new knowledge with existing memories. That might explain why students studying intensely often report dreams about exam or their study material. Some scientists argue that dreaming also helps us problem solving and creativity. Other our brains continue working or challenging even while we sleep, and dreams may allow for freer association than our waking mind permits. History is filled with the stories of artists, scientists, and inventors solving problems or finding inspiration in the dream. For example, the structure of the benzene molecules and the melody of classic songs has have reportedly come to people in their sleep. Despite of their research, there is still no single explanation of why we dream. And it's possible that dreams serve multiple purposes. Some researchers believe dreams are simply the result of the brain natural activity during sleep, with no specific function. Others suggested they serve evolutionary purpose like rehearsing several strategies or simulating solution interaction. The truth may lie in a combination of physiological, neurological, and evolutionary factors. In the end, dreaming remain one of the brain's most intriguing mysteries, whether they processing emotion, reinforcing memories, or sparking creativity. Dreams are now विंडो इनटू द अनकॉन्शियस माइंड। तो या गाइस यहाँ पर हमारा क्वेश्चन होता है कंप्लीट। अब आपने क्या करना है, मुझे देनी है इजाज़त लेने से पहले मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है, आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, वीडियो को लाइक करना है, कमेंट करना है, शेयर करना है और बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा। बेल आइकन दबाने से होगा कि हमारी आने वाली जितनी भी वीडियो होंगी वो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन के साथ बने। तब तक के लिए मुझे इजाज़त, स्टे लेजेंडरी, बाय बाय।